Hey there, this is Ruth Rowland with the final installment of the fiddle tutorial for Where the Green Grass Grows. We took a few videos to learn the intro with the bowings and the drones, and then we explored options, different options for the beginnings and middles to sort of customize it and make it our own. It should be pretty straightforward if you've gone through the other lessons, and I put a link to the sheet music below in case you want to have a guitar accompany you, or you want to refresh your memory or cheat a little bit. There's a little bit of surprise toward the end of the outro, which I kind of like, and I'll show you how that goes. The outro starts on an offbeat. We covered that as a variation on a previous video. The different chunks of the outro often start on offbeats, and I just damp my strings to stop them vibrating during the rest at the beginning of the bar. I'll show you what I mean. So it makes a little sound that's kind of cool, and it helps me keep the beat, because if you're not doing anything during the rest, there's always a danger that you could hold it too long or not long enough. I'll play those two chunks again. Now for the next little bit. I'll start with the last couple notes of what I just played, just so I get to damp the string. So what happens there exactly? The beginning is just an offbeat entrance, and then I go to single strings. There is one of the ornaments that I didn't cover in the last video. It's sliding in and then sliding out. It's really cool. Sounds better fast. And then comes the surprise. So slowly we have... You just stop after that note. Usually we would go, but we're going to stop early. Okay, and just repeat the previous notes. So you heard that? And then the next part is... Okay, so it's pretty simple, but it sounds great. We finally get a C. So starting on the C, it's pretty much just stepwise going down, isn't it? There's a little bit of a hitch. You go back up to the B and then down. I'll do everything starting with the surprise a little bit slower. I'm going to start with the slide in and slide out. the rhythm's interesting at the end. The 2-1 at the end is a different rhythm each time. So if I break it into the least common denominator, the 8th note, we have rest. Okay, so the first 2-1 is 3 and 3. 3 and 3. And then the second time, it's 2 and 4. Put a note in the comments if any of that is unclear. But like I said, if you watched the previous videos and played along, you should be able to figure that out. I really enjoyed this. If you got value out of it, give me a thumbs up. Hope to see you soon.